Hi everybody and welcome back. Today I'm going to share one of our top selling products, which is our Fontainavie Tan Accelerator, and this, I kid you not, is incredible. It's got carrot oil in, which if you can all remember going on holiday years ago, well, even if now, we have to have carrot oil if we want to go dark, and this product has got it in it. Now, I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. It's got cocoa butter in, it's got carrot seed oil in, it's got I'm off with my words again, phytosterols, which perfectly nourish and moisturize the skin, and it improves the firmness and elasticity. And honestly, it's lovely to put on. It is a lovely thing. I'm going to show you that in a minute. So anyway, if you are new to my channel, my name is Sharon Howard, and I help network marketers get seen, loved, and selling using social media and YouTube. So if you've not yet subscribed, hit that button, subscribe, and hit the bell, because then you'll get notified of when I release weekly training, or it could be a product review, something like that. So anyway, let's get back onto today's video. So the Fontainavie Tan Accelerator, it's 150 ml. It is an SPF10. So we did used to have this product, but it's been relaunched, it's been repackaged into what you can see now. So it is a 2-in-1, because not only does it, tone and firm the skin and look after it, but it also tans it. It also has vitamin E, which delays the aging process, and it is ideal for the face and the body. Now, if you're like me, you'd go on holiday and you use a separate SPF and you moisturize anyway, but for sun lotion, putting sunblock on, this is okay, but it is only an SPF 10, so do bear that in mind. You need to put it on more often. Right, so let me show you it. So this is the magic. I'll put on this one. As you can see pretty much the carrot oil in it anyway. That's what it's like, and it is an oil, and there you go. That's just what it is. That's it nourishing, that's it moisturizing, and that's it tanning as well. You'll notice a difference with that simply within putting, just wearing it for one time out in the garden. You'll notice it straight away. So it is £20. That is the RRP price. But if you open your free account, you can get that for £13.50. I'm going to drop the link below. Anywhere in the world. If you want to talk to me about, if you are in, you could be in Trinidad and Tobago, you could be, then let me direct you to the right link to join us with. But you've got UK there, you've got USA there, and you've got Southern Ireland and anywhere else in the world as well. So there you go. That is our incredible Tan Accelerator. And I'll see you on the next video.